Hands up, the marshals will now check. The spelling of Friday is capital F-R-I-D-A-Y. If it's not capitalized, it is incorrect. Contestant number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now proceed to word number 4. Okay, relax. Okay, ready? Hands in the air. Okay, listen to word number 4. The word is school. A place where children and adults go to learn things from the teachers. School. Go. Hands up. Okay. Marshals will now check the letter spelling. The spelling for school is S-C-H-O-O-L. Contestant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now proceed to word number 5. Hands in the air. This is word number 5. The word is church, a place where people hear mass. Church. Go. There. The spelling of church is C-H-U-R-C-H. Contestant number 1. Contestant 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now going to the 6th word. Hands down first. Okay. Hands up in the air. Ready? Word number 6. The word is girl. A female person who is still a child. Girl. Go. Hands in the air. Okay. The spelling of girl is G-I-R-L. Okay. Contestant number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. We're now moving on to word number 7. Last 2 words for event number 1. Okay, ready? Hands in the air. Okay, listen to word number 7. The word is sky. This is what you see far above. Sky. Go. Hands up in the air. The spelling of sky is S-K-Y. Okay, contestant number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Everyone got the word ready. The last word is word number 8 for event number 1. Okay? You're so quiet. Okay, hands in the air. Ready? Word number 8 is kite. A toy that flies through the air on the wind while a person holds onto it with a long string. Kite. Go. Hands in the air. The spelling of kite is K-I-T-E. Contestant number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Hey, hands down first. Congratulations, you have just finished event number 1. Okay. While waiting for teacher Joey to total the score, relax first. Okay. Parents, relax po. Okay, I will now recite our total scores for event number 1. For contestant number 1, we have 6 points. Contestant number 2 has 8 points. Contestant number 3, 8 points. Contestant number 4, 5 points. Contestant number 5, 7 points. Contestant number 6, 8 points. Contestant number 7, 8 points. Contestant number 8, 7 points. Contestant number 9, 4 points. Contestant number 10, 7 points. Contestant number 11, 8 points. Contestant number 12, 7 points. Contestant number 13, 8 points. Contestant number 14, 8 points. And contestant number 15, 6 points. Okay. We will now proceed to event number 2. Okay. I will now read the mechanics for event number 2. Contestants are